Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be discussing about the 7 books that every beginner entrepreneur should read. Right? These books I have read personally and this has helped me a lot in my journey so far. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Okay, so this video is a part of 30-day YouTube challenge. I hope my screen is visible. So this is day 3 video. I missed yesterday, so I'll be starting the challenge again. So I'll be posting around 32 videos. So this is 1st of June and the topic of today is July. It's 1st of July and the topic for the day is 7 books for beginner entrepreneurs. Okay, let's go. The first one, Atomic Habits. This is very important book for a human being, I say. Thing is, when we start entrepreneurship, we see that most of the times we see other people who are having time freedom, who are living a lifestyle, a dream lifestyle, and we just want to experience that, and we just dive into entrepreneurship and business, and just to make a lot of money and all that stuff. But to to be in that position, you need to have a lot of discipline. You need to have the right kind of habits. Habits build your life, right? I don't need to call you and remind you every morning that go brush your teeth, right? You have been doing this since your childhood, and this has been your habit. So every time you wake up, you just go to your wash basin or bathroom and you just pick up your toothpaste and do the necessary things, right? So habits are very important. You need not force your body to do such stuff, right? You need not have to force your body. It happens on automation. So similarly, when you read this book, Atomic Habits, you know that your habit works on certain triggers and how to leverage those triggers and build good habits and eliminate bad habits. So I highly recommend this book. uh, Other is sell like crazy. If you are an entrepreneur, you need to get clear on your customer avatar. You need to get clear on how to sell your stuff online, right? There are a lot of strategies, lot of things covered in this book, as well as uh, the psychology behind selling has been covered in this book. So this is another amazing book by Sabri Subi. I followed that guy since a year now, I guess, and his content is amazing. And the book has been very useful in my Facebook campaigns and Google campaigns as well. So I follow the systems, and you should too. It's a very good book. As an entrepreneur who is now, most of my audience are into online business. So someday or the other you will rely on ads to promote your product or service. So just go for it. Never split the difference. Whenever you're doing sales, right, there is negotiation happening. A lot of times you need to negotiate on pricing, right? The pricing that you are quoting and the discount that they are asking. So there is always a push and pull going on between a prospect and the service provider. So when you read this book, you will get good negotiation techniques. I'm halfway through the book. I have also not completed the book, but I feel that entrepreneurs should read this book and should have knowledge about the stuff which is covered in this book. Next thing is Rich Dad Poor Dad. Amazing book. Now, if you are as lazy as me, who uh, do not want to get into details of economics and how money flows here and there in the society, this book is so simple, so easy to read, and so simplistically explains us. I don't know simplistically is a word or not. If it's not, just I have just created this word. uh, Rich Dad Poor Dad. So simply it explains you about personal finance and how economics work, uh, it is very useful for you, because as an entrepreneur, when you're making money, you need to know how to manage your money as well. Are you investing in assets, or are you just purchasing liabilities? And that is something that may pull you or push you down the line, and it may hamper your personal finance in long run. So read this book. Very simple English and easy book to read. Easily you can finish it in a week. If you are a slow reader like me, or someone who is faster can finish it in a day or so. Export secrets, very very important. As an online entrepreneur, a lot of people, most of them are freelancer coaches. This book is by Russell Brunson. Rich Dad Poor Dad was by Robert Kiyosaki. So in expert secrets, things, a lot of us feel like that we are not expert in our job, right? So this is a dilemma. Now if you are talking about me, I'm not a big expert in Facebook advertising. I'm not a big expert in the coaching and consulting industry, but I am a few steps ahead of those who have not started, who just want to become online coach, who just want to become a freelancer, who just want to become a consultant online. So I'm of just a few steps. Maybe I'm on step 5, maybe they are on step 1. I can help people who are on step 1, right? I may not be able to help someone who is on step 6, but yes, if I'm on step 5, I have gone through that path, right? So I know what are the mistakes I have done and what are the best things that I have implemented, and I can suggest them, I can coach them, I can help them regarding that. So this is a slight summary or a slight backbone of this book, Expert Secrets. You should read it as an online entrepreneur, because that will help you get clearer that you need not be an expert to start. You just need that you need to identify the right kind of people that you can help, and then you can serve as an online entrepreneur. 100 million offers, amazing book. This is the book that I'm reading since past few days. It's a small book, but as usual I'm consistently inconsistent. So that's a challenge, but anyways, 100 million offer is an amazing book. It teaches you about creating grand slam offers. Now what are grand slam offers? An offer that people feel stupid to say no to. So whenever you are getting into a sales call, right, as an entrepreneur you have to do sales, you have to do a lot and lot of sales, because that's how your business runs, that's how your life runs. Money is something that is essential in this world of 2022, as of now, as I'm recording this. So you need to have a no brainer offer. You need to know the basics, right? The book teaches about identifying the right market, identifying the right person who should you should target, and creating a right kind of offer. How to create a value based uh, pricing, right, instead of just pricing it randomly. So that's not how to charge high instead of charging low and going the playing the number game. You can just create value based pricing and get take the benefit out of it. Other is Almanac of Naval Ravikant. This book is amazing, amazing, amazing. Now this book is not that simple. Just it's a short book, I would say. बहुत ज़्यादा मोटी नहीं है. It's not having many pages, but thing is that the language used in it is quite, I won't say difficult, but harder than the mentioned above mentioned books. So but this book is a guide to wealth and happiness, amazingly written. uh, this book has been created as a summary from Naval's podcasts and his interviews. and amazingly written. You get gold nuggets that how to live a lifestyle with by create by being happy, the right frameworks of being happy, and the right frameworks to make wealth. He has shared all in this short book, and suggest you should definitely, as an entrepreneur, you should definitely read this book, because you need to have frameworks in life, right? Naval has been an excellent investor and excellent entrepreneur himself, and he shares some very very great uh, formulas to lead a happy and prosperous life. And if you implement those formulas in your life, then you can get similar results. So that's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already subscribed, because a lot of people just watch it but don't subscribe. And stay happy. Okay, let me know in the comments if you like the video. Also, if you want to buy those books, I have put the affiliate link in the description. You can just click on them and buy it. Might help me. And yeah, thank you. See you. Bye bye.